Good afternoon, children. So we already learnt about the perimeter and area of the square rectangle, isn't it? The area and perimeter of the different shapes we already different shapes mean rectangles and squares we already learned, isn't it? Then we can find out the area of the figures, different figures. Yes, look here, children. I already draw here one leaf. That leaf is in the square sheet of paper. Then we want to know how much area taken by the or how much area covered this leaf. How much area covered this leaf. So we want to find out what is the area used for this leaf. For that purpose we have to take what is the, we don't know what is how is taking the full form, that is the formula of the leaf. So this one is not a rectangle or square. This one is the figure of leaf. So we have to take how many number of squares taken for the leaf, how much space is taken for this leaf, or how much area taken for this leaf, how much area covered this leaf. For that purpose we can count it. How many number of completed square? We can find out in an easy way. That we want to know how many completed square in that. In this leaf, area means that is the inside of the space, isn't it? That the inside of the space, that is the area. So how much area in this? How much or how many completed square in this? How many number of completed square and number of half of the square. Here, look here, children. When you can understand here, yes, number of squares already here, and number of half of the squares, and number of more than half of the squares already here. Number of squares, completed square. This leaf is covered with the completed square, half of the square, and more than half of the square. Then we can take completed square, number of completed square, and how many half squares in that, and how many more than half of the squares. And more than half of the square we can take it as one square. More than half square, that we can take it as one square, and less than half of the less than or less than half of the square we can remove. We can remove, but we can take more than half, we can take it as one square. Okay. Look at children. Here from this figure we can understand number of completed square means, you look here, this one is not completed. This square is not completed because here some space already here, so up to this covered. So this one means 3/4. And first we can count it. How many number of completed square? Yes, look here. This one is the completed square 1. This one is completed square, and this one also completed square, and this one also completed square. 4 completed square. So you can write it. Number of completed square. Number of completed square is 4. And next one, number of half of the squares. Number of half of the square. Look here, how many half of the square? This one is not half of, this is less than half square. So don't take it. Then this one is more than half square. This one, you look here. This one is the half of the square. This one is the half of the square, and now this one also more than half. So half of the square is 1. Half of the square is 1. And how many more than half of the square? Look here, more than half this square, you look here, this square. In this means this area, this leaf taken this up to this area covered, isn't it? So this one is the 3/4 or more than half of the square. So we can take it as that one. And next up, this one also, look here, this one is the square, and up to here taken means that is more than half of the square. And next one, look here, this one also more than half of the square. So, and 1, this also 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more than half of the square, that is 4. So area of this leaf is equal to area of this leaf or this figure is equal to 4 plus 1. Half of the square is 1. That means half, isn't it? If 2 half of the square, that becomes 1. But here only half, 1 half. So that is 4 plus half plus numbers more than, that is 4. 4 plus 4, 8 and down. What is the area of this leaf, children? The area of this leaf is 8 and half centimeter, square centimeter. That is 8 and half square centimeter. Did you understand, children? First you want to take number of completed square and you have to add that number of half of the square and number of more than half of the square. That more than half of the square you can take it as 1 square. Okay. The next another figure, look here. Yes. We can take this as a, okay. This one is the figure, or this one we can take it as, this one is a vessel or a tank. Yes, okay. This one we want to find out the area of this figure. We want to find out, this one is the figure. So we have to find the area of this figure. How can we find out the area of the figure? So how can we find out that, children? First of all, you have to find out what is the completed square, number of completed square and number of half of the square. Yes, then number of more than half of the square, isn't it? Okay, good. Then here, look at here. Then how many completed square here? How many completed square here? Yes, completed square we can put a tick mark there. Okay, yes, this one is the completed square number 1. Then another one, this one is also completed square, and this one, look here, this one. So this one also completed square, isn't it? 3 completed square. 3 completed here, not completed, not completed, not completed, not completed, not completed, not completed. So 3 completed square. And how many half of the square? We can look at here. This one is not half of the square. This one also not half. This one is not half. This one also. So no half of the square. 0 half of the square. Then how many more than half of the square? This one is more than half of the square. This one, look at here, more than half of the square. More than half means, look at this. This one is the square. This one is the square. And this means half of the square, isn't it? And now also there is a half of the square. Or this one is like this. So this part is more than half of the square. This part means more than half of the square. And this part means that is less than half of the square. Less than half of the square. This one is the square. And this part means this part is the less than half of the square. Less than half of the square, this part. But this part, that is more than half of the square, isn't it? That is a more than half of the square. So here, look at here. This one is the more than half of the square, and so look at here. This one also more than half of the square, more than half of the square, but this one not more than, that is less than. This one also less than, and this one also, yes, this one we can take it as half of the, not half, some more. Yes, we can take this. So, number of, what is the area of the figure, children? Area of the figure is equal to, then you have to write it that formula also. Area of the figure is equal to number of completed square plus number of half of the square plus number of more than half of the square. Number of completed square plus number of half of square plus number of more than half of the square. So here number of completed square, that is 3. Then number of half of the square, that is 0, isn't it? That is 0. And number of more than half, that is more than half, 1, 2, 3. That is 3. That more than half we can take it as 1 square. Okay. So area is equal to 3 plus 0 plus 3. What is the answer? 6 square centimeter. 6 square centimeter. Did you understand, children? You want to know how much area covered that figure. How much area taken by the figure, or how much area covered that figure. So we want to know the area. So you have to take how many completed squares and how many half of the squares and how many more than half of the squares, and the sum of that figures is the area of that figure, and more than half of the square you can take it as 1 square, and less than half of the square, that we can remove it. Okay. Yes, everyone want to draw any other picture, or you can draw a flower in this square paper, and you can find out what is the area of that flower. And next you can, yes children, you can make use of this paper, and you can draw your hand here. You can draw your hand there and find out what is the area of your hand. What is the area of your hand, that you can draw it by put a hand on that paper and draw like this. Okay. Draw like that, and how to find out what is the area of the hand, that you do it here. Okay. Yes children. Okay, bye children. Next class on next day.